Friends, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to insert a clip in between clips in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see on my timeline guys, I have four different clips right now. In order to insert a clip anywhere, you just want to find a section of the video where you want to insert a clip. It could be right between these clips right here, or even if you want to make like a split between a video, you can also do that to insert a clip. So let's take this example of me wanting to put the clip in between this clip here. I can find the area of this clip where I want, then press Ctrl plus B, and it's going to make an additional split right here. Then I want to find the clip that I want to insert. Let's say I want to insert, I don't know, let's say this video clip right here. Simple click on that clip and you want to go ahead and use the insert. So here you'll find the insert option here. On this option it says F9. I can simple click on that and it's going to insert the clip there as well. And so the next way is to simply take that clip, drag it onto the preview, and you will find the option at the top that says insert. You can let it go and it will insert in between the clip. And that's it guys. Very easy and very simple how to insert clips in between clips in DaVinci Resolve.